Most people get this wrong when a game suddenly disappears from Mistplay. Their first reaction is to think their account has a problem or that they've been banned. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, a game can disappear for reasons that have nothing to do with your account. In this video, you'll learn why games may be removed from Mistplay in 2026, what it means for your account, and what you can do if one of your favorite games is no longer showing up. Let's get straight to the answer. Mistplay regularly updates its game catalog. New games are added, while others may be removed. This can happen because of changes in partnerships, promotional campaigns ending, regional availability updates, or other business decisions. So if a game disappears, it doesn't automatically mean you've done something wrong. Here's a quick win. Before worrying, check whether the game is missing from the recommendation list or completely unavailable on your device. Sometimes a game is simply no longer being promoted to new users, while existing players can still access it. But here's the problem. Many users assume that once a game appears in the app, it will stay there forever. That's not always how reward platforms work. Available offers can change over time. For example, Alex starts playing a game in January. A few months later, the game no longer appears in the recommended section. That doesn't necessarily mean the game itself was removed from his phone. It may simply no longer be part of the current offer lineup. This is where most people fail. They confuse game availability with account issues. Now here's where it gets interesting. Location can also play a role. Some games may be available in one country, but not another. If regional requirements change, the list of available games can change as well. Another possibility is that the app has updated its recommendations based on your activity. Reward platforms sometimes personalize game suggestions, meaning different users may see different options at the same time. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to check what's happening. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Mistplay. Next, refresh the app and review the available game catalog. Finally, look for any announcements or notifications that explain recent changes. Here's another small win. If your game is still installed on your device, check whether it continues to appear in your active game section. In some situations, existing activity may be handled differently from new game recommendations. Let's recap. Games can disappear from Mistplay for many reasons, including catalog updates, regional changes, promotional adjustments, or personalized recommendations. In most cases, it does not automatically mean there's a problem with your account. If this guide helped you understand why your game disappeared, leave a comment sharing your experience. Hit the like button, and subscribe for more app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips.